Russia continues to lose a lot of equipment, but while some vehicles and tanks get completely destroyed on the battlefield, there is also much equipment left fairly intact, only immobilized but too hard to retrieve for Ukraine, which result in the best option is to destroy the tank or vehicle, so Russia can tow it back and repair it. But as Ukraine's drone army doesn't always have a clear way of destroying the tank with the warhead they got, they can still strike it more to ensure as much damage as possible. Dropping grenade with some penetration capability to strike over the engine, as the armor is thinner here and it can destroy the engine and possibly cause an internal fire, resulting in more damaged or destroyed equipment, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.